connected. We all are connected. We are far, but still we are connected. There is a network called social media which makes us attached to each other. We scroll something, we find something. We laugh, sometimes we share something. We search something that help our business to grow more and more. Sometimes we frustrated to not get any connection. But still, we are confident that sometime we'll find good connection. Good connection called NP Business Pro.
Your social media marketing partner, NP Business Pro, for all your business needs.
NP Business Pro.